Good morning, students. Again, welcome in your bio class. So today's we will start next categories, next classification. It is Chordata or it is 10th phylum. In Chordata, before we start Chordata, we will just discuss or revise some points which you have read in previous lecture. It is Protochordata. What is Protochordata? When presence of notochord, the organisms that consist notochord in their life cycle. These animals are bilaterally symmetrical in Protochordata, triploblastic, and have a coelom. Coelom means body cavity. In addition, they show a new feature of body design, namely notochord. I have already discussed notochord is present at least at some stage during their live any their life cycle time period. The notochord is present. Examples: balanoglossus, hardminia, and amphioxus. There are three diagrams. There is diagram of uh, balanoglossus. Now, next one is vertebrata. Vertebrata, it is basically vertebrata. These animals have a true vertebral column. The basic feature क्या है इसका? Vertebral column present, true vertebral column, and internal structure, internal skeleton. Vertebral column क्या है? Internal skeleton. ठीक है? Allow complete different distributions of muscles attachment point to be used for movement. इसका काम क्या है? It gives a particular place for attachment of muscles, which is basically help in movement. क्लियर? बॉडी के जितने भी मूवमेंट्स हैं मसल्स के थ्रू है. ये मसल्स के स्पेस, मसल्स कहाँ से अटैच हो रहा कहीं ना कहीं से, ये इंटरनल स्केलेटन वर्टेब्रल कॉलम से. ठीक है बेटा. Next, vertebrates are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomic, and segmented. Means these are the very important point. Bilateral means, we have discussed bilateral word means किसी particular plan से यदि organisms को एक particular plan से उसकी सेगमेंट करो, डिवाइड करो, तो वो इक्वली टू पार्ट में सेपरेट हो जाता है. सिमेट्रिकल ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक मीन्स 3 जम्प्स लेयर. coelomic, coelom cavity is present, and segmented, body is segmented in inner side. Just like in your body there are different system present in your body and all are separated to each other. This is the characteristic feature of segment. So I think students, you have clearly understood meaning of bilateral symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomic, and segmented, with complex differentiation of body tissues and organ. Complex differentiation of body tissues and organs. There are different type of body tissues, different type of organs, complex differentiations. All chordates possess a following feature. Basic feature क्या है? First, have a notochord, have a dorsal nerve cord, triploblastic, paired gills pouches, or coelomates. Vertebrates are grouped into the 6 classes. वर्टिब्रेट्स को 6 क्लास में डिफाइन किया है. ठीक है. फर्स्ट वन इज साइक्लोस्टोमेटा. फर्स्ट कौन सा आता है? साइक्लोस्टोमेटा. स्पेशली साइक्लोस्टोमेटा are a jawless vertebrates. The important points or important feature of this particular phylum or particular class on which character class is classified, I will underline. Okay, student. Cyclostomata, jawless vertebrates, they are characteristics by having a elongated eel-like body, circular mouth, slimy skin, and scaleless. They are ectoparasites. कैसे है ये? Ectoparasite, Petromyzon or Myxine are the examples. Petromyzon or Myxine. This is Petromyzon cyclostomata. It is jawless vertebrates. कैसे है ये? Jawless. Jawless vertebrates. Then species. Next is species. Species are basically fish. Species क्या है? ये fish है. All fishes come in species. Class species basically it is it is aquatic. It is adopted as a aquatic life and including all fishes. Basically, heart is two-chambered, respirations through gills, cold-blooded or cold-blooded. Body कैसी इसके? Cold-blooded. Their body temperature is fluctuate according the temperature of the environment. Species, we have discussed about species. It is exclusively aquatic animal. The skin is covered with scales, plate. They obtain oxygen dissolved in water by using gills, means respirations through gills. The body is streamed. The body is streamlined and muscular tail are used for movement. They are cold-blooded and their heart have two chambered. हार्ट आपको कितना होता है? टू चैम्बर्ड. ठीक है, यहाँ से हार्ट में वेरिएशन शुरू होगा. इन पीसीज में टू चैम्बर्ड, एम्फीबियंस में थ्री, लाइक सो ऑन. Clear, student? They are cold-blooded and their heart has only two chambered, unlike the four as human have. और धीरे धीरे कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी के अकॉर्डिंग ह्यूमन बीइंग का कितना है? फोर चैम्बर्ड. दे ले एग्स. क्लियर? ये एग लेइंग एनिमल है. क्लियर, स्टूडेंट? We have discussed about species. Already we have given you some particular characteristic which are species. Aquatic. Then next one, it is two chambered heart. Already we have discussed. Clear? Skeleton is made up of cartilage. Clear? So these are the some characteristic feature of fishes. Examples are given there. These are the some examples. First one we have right there. Scallotion or dogfish. Second, torpedo. This one, ये क्या है? Torpedo, electric ray. Clear, student? So this one is so there are some examples. Stingray. This one is stingray or species of some examples from the species. Next one, class amphibians. Amphibians, it is some complex or some developed class. These animals differ from fish in lack of scales. इसमें क्या है? species से किस तरीके से differ है? lack of scales. It's having muscles, mucus glands in the skin. mucus glands in the skin. Clear? And second next one is third chambered. 3 चैम्बर्ड का होता है हार्ट. कितने का होता है? 3 चैम्बर्ड. 3 चैम्बर्ड हार्ट. 3 chambered heart. Third, respirations through gills or lungs. Next, angling. These all the important character. ये क्या है? It is important characters. Important characters of amphibians. Clear? External ear is absent. External ear is absent, but tapetum cover the middle ear. Middle ear present होता है. External ear absent and tapetum covers the middle ear. Clear? This is the characteristic feature. The examples: hyla, tree frog, toad, salamander, or rana tigrana. It is the zoological name of common frog. Rana tigrana. This is the figure. I have given. I have labeling there. This figure. It is mouth, nostril, clear, leg. Wait, this one is dorsal line. This one is dorsal line. Dorsal line. This one hind limb. And this one फोर लिम्ब. आगे वाले जो पैर होंगे वो फोर लिम्ब, पीछे वाले हिंड लिम्ब. This is the some labeling which I have already given you. So when you make a diagram, it is necessary to complete labeling. External ear is already absent. The upper and lower eyelids are immovable. A third eyelids called nictitating membranes. So next point, एक और जो new terms आया है, nictitating membrane. nictitating membrane is present. ये क्या है, इसका function क्या है? Present. It help to clean the eye wall. Eye balls. Clear? Respiration process we have already discussed. Heart is three chambers, so there are the some characteristic feature of amphibians. Next one is reptiles. Reptile, it is skin of reptile is completely rough and dry and covered with epidermal scales. ठीक है, तो reptiles basically क्या स्पेशलिटी होती है? Skin is rough, dry and covered with epidermal scales. Second one, respirations organ by lungs only. जो बेसिकली कॉर्डेट्स के क्लासेस में जो भी डिफरेंसेस आते जा रहे हैं, यू जस्ट स्पेशली अंडरलाइन दिस पर्टिकुलर डिफरेंसेस. सेकंड, रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन्स आर ओनली लंग्स. रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन्स ओनली बाय लंग्स. लंग्स के थ्रू ही होता है. फ्रॉग में भी आपने देखा ना, स्किन से भी हो रहा है, लंग से भी हो रहा है और गिल से भी होता है, स्किन से भी होता है. बट बाय सिंपल स्किन से इन व्हेन इट इज़ इन मॉइस्ट कंडीशन तब स्किन के थ्रू होता है. बट इन केस ऑफ रेप्टिलिया देयर इज रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन्स ओनली lungs. Clear? Two pair of panterdactyls limbs present. Each digits bear a horny claws. They are unisexual, oviparous. Oviparous means egg-laying. Oviparous, but fertilization is internal. Fertilization is internal. It is cold-blooded. Cold-blooded and undergoes, cold-blooded means body temperature change होता रहता है according their atmosphere. Clear? The meaning of cold-blooded, we are warm-blooded. और ये क्या है? reptiles cold-blooded. ठीक है? And under cold-blooded and undergo hibernation. Hibernation during winter season. So, student, there are some character of reptiles. Clear? Heart is basically three-chambered. Heart, but in case of crocodile it is four-chambered. So this is the some basic character of class Reptilia. So next two classes are remain. it is aves and mammals, and comparisons between the different classes we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.